2 months after Kian de los Santos, Nanette Castillo never imagined that her 32-year-old son Aldrin was next.
Alam nila na may namamatay pero dead ma lang sila, di ba? Pero ngayon yung nakita ko na nakikiusap sila, napapasukin sila sa Bigamor. Wala akong awang naramdaman. Wala.
For Nanette, the Dutertes are in no position to ask for due process because when cops killed Aldrin, no process was abided. The cops asked him his name and shot him dead.
Diyos ko, Kitty, sa Sara, no, tama na. Alam niyo naman na kahit tatay niyo yan, alam niyo naman ang daming pinapatay. Hindi pa ba kayo natatauhan, lalo na ikaw, Kitty? Masyado kang mataas magsalita.
Aldrin is from Tondo, Manila. Data says that in the 5,000 people killed in the first year of the drug war, 2,000 was from NCR. Of these 2,000, 400 was from their district.
Partikular po sa Tondo, Maynila, kung saan napakaraming mga mahihirap yung naging biktima ng pekeng gera kontra droga.
Towards the end of Duterte's term in 2022, the Commission on Human Rights lists Region 4A, NCR, and Cebu as the hotspots of Tukhang. Meanwhile, in the arrest warrant of the ICC, at least 24 alleged criminals were killed under police watch and tagged as drug-related killings. Conversely, data from the PNP tallies over 6,000 deaths from July 2016 to May 2019. According to Makabayan NCR, it wasn't really a war against drugs, but against the poor. Makabayan councilor from Manila District said that news of Duterte's arrest brought hope, especially to those in Tondo.
Naririnig natin sa aming mga kababayan sa Maynila, lalo na po sa Tondo, marami po ang natutuwa dahil ang akala nila bagamat sila ay mahihirap, ay hindi na sila magkakaroon ng pag-asa.
He adds his arrest is a reminder never to undermine the poor because resistance always leads somewhere. How Tondo reacted to the news according to Gado. Makabayan underscored that if the government really wants to end their drug problem, they must address people's needs, such as a livable wage, land reforms, and education. Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel.